Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is toughest houseplant. Sansevierias, snake plant, best air purifying plant, or beginner's first choice plant. This low light tolerant plant is excellent first choice for beginners. One of the toughest houseplant, snake plant. In this video, I will discuss snake plant overview, care tips, how to propagate snake plant from cuttings, and types of snake plant. So friends, let's get started. Snake plant or Sansevieria or mother-in-law tongue. It can survive low light levels, drought, and generally being ignored. They will even reward your neglect by helping to clean the air in your home. Snake plant overview. Their sword-like leaves are approximately 2 feet long. They are famous for their ability to survive in the most unsuitable growing conditions. They are also renowned for the qualities that help purify air. We purify the air we breathe. Since they help produce oxygen mainly at night. Snake plants for a great bedroom companion. So it's a very good bedroom placing plant because it provides oxygen mainly at night. Snake plant care tips. Light. They can withstand full sun and handle low light. Indirect sunlight is ideal for snake plant. Water. Snake plant can easily rot, so make sure soil is well drained and don't water it too much, especially in winters. Allow the soil to dry in between watering. Temperature. They prefer warmer temperatures. Toxicity. While the toxicity levels are low, it's safest to keep pets away from your plant. Sansevierias are truly easiest plant to grow, to look after, mainly making them a perfect choice for novice gardeners or as a first house plant. If you think an adaptable, low maintenance and stylish house plant is right for you. How to propagate snake plant. It's easy to propagate a snake plant with leaf cuttings. Cut a 3-4 inches section of the leaf and stick it in moist potting soil. Keep this evenly moist but not wet, and in several weeks to a month, small platelets will begin to grow from the base of the cuttings. These can be separated into individual plant or leaf as a clump. Types of snake plant. Birdsnest snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata honey grows to only 6 inches tall, forming cluster of leaves that form a cup, similar to bird's nest. Slender snake plant. Sansevieria cylindrica produces round, rigid leaves that can reach several feet in length. Leaves arc outward from a central crown. Laurentii Sansevieria. Sansevieria trifasciata laurentii is a popular variety with creamy yellow leaf margins. It does not come true from leaf cuttings. It reverts to the green form. So divide the plant to make new ones, just like the mother plant. Variegated snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata is grown for its dramatic upright form with leaves 2 to 4 inches wide and several feet long. It's one of the best plants for low light areas. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you find this video informative. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like it, then press the like button. Also share this video with family, friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. Thank you.